Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your clutch by yourself at home on your Audi A3 or A3 Sportback. Have a seat in the driver's side of your car. The clutch is a mechanical device that engages and disengages power transmission, especially from a drive shaft to a driven shaft. In the simplest application, the clutches connect and disconnect two rotating shafts. In these devices, one shaft is typically attached to an engine or other power unit, while the other shaft provides output power for work. Typically, the motions involved are rotary, but linear clutches also exist. But at the car, it is a rotary function of it. And if your car is driving all day long on the roads, we can have this part which connects each other, these two devices or these two parts of your car. There is a single dry clutch friction disc, or it's not only a single dry clutch for its friction disc. Maybe you can have other pieces of this too, but this component is a splintered hub is attached to the disc with springs to damp the chatter itself, and this can be damaged maybe, okay, if you drive a long time. And then you can check this before you will buy this car, for example. Push the clutch pedal while your engine is running, and then we are pulling the handbrake. So we have to pull the handbrake, we have to sit down, the car engine is running as well, and then we are performing a clutch test. This is only possible on a manual transmission. If you have an automatic transmission, this does not happen, okay? So we are sitting there, and now we are going to check that the clutch is working well. For this, we are shifting to gear number 3. Do not shift to gear number 1 or 2. That's not the good thing while you're testing. Go to gear number 3. Now, check again, brake, okay? And then gear number 3, we are still pushing or standing on the clutch pedal. And then we are going to release the clutch pedal, and the engine should be turned off automatically. If this happens, the clutch is good working. The friction disc is in a good condition, and your clutch is good working too. So now we perform this. We are releasing the clutch lever with our left feet in one direction to us, and you can see now the engine will stop automatically. Good job. Here the clutch is working well. If the engine is still running after you release the clutch pedal, you have maybe a fail function in your clutch, and you should replace this, or you should not buy that car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.